Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold, silver, and palladium. This is the daily close, or I would say it's the weekly close. We're gonna see what we might expect also for the next week on Monday. So basically, today we saw some green expected because we were looking for a correction, a deeper one, at least the 0.38, zero point 0.5, where we got our red box hit perfectly, and we might start to see a rejection from there. The probabilities were already a triangle, which is directly invalidated in one straight move to the upside here. So our triangle is outside. The next scenario was also a potential A, B, and a C, or a W, X, and a wave Y. Very likely that this is a wave Y zigzag here because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished here. The wave 2 is very shallow, meaning not touching the 0.38, making it, of course, on the 15-minute chart here. A wave B rather than a wave 2. As you can see, this is a very shallow wave 2, as you can see, 0.38 is not taken, which is a signal that this is a zigzag. And following a W, X, and a wave Y here, very likely to be, and we might continue the drop toward the downside. Now we start to see something impulsive, which it can be a signal of a wave 1, 2 here. Can be Monday something bearish again for the wave 5, because of course we need to relax a little bit here with this bearish trend that we have here as double one, two, three, four, and a 5 invalidation not taken, meaning the pressure toward the downside is still there for a wave 5. So basically, be careful also. Weekends are very, very critical as well for the Monday opening. We know that the tension is still not really gone in the Middle East between the US and Iran regarding the Strait of Hormuz. So this might affect, of course, again, the market. Be careful. And the opening might be something else. Hopefully not, but of course, this is our trend still, of course, alive and still looking for lower sooner or later. That was it for the gold. For the silver, actually, we're not surprised as well. Very likely to hit even the red zone. Basically, 1 to 1 Fibonacci level as a regular flat here. This option was taken and given already within the triangle. The triangle got invalidated, and we got a flat here. Three ways already a very clear signal as a correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Very likely to be finished here, and we drop for a wave 5 again to finish wave 3, since we are in double one, 2 as well. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So we'll see if this is going to happen on Monday as well. As this is my highest probability, and I'm still looking for the $55 and even the $50 as psychological number. We'll see also in the weekend. Again, the news are very, very important. So for Palladium, we are looking also for a little bit higher here. Minimum requirement is 0.38, where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished clearly as an impulse. We're looking for something for higher. 50-minute chart, the wave 2 should take the 0.38 after a W, X, and a wave Y here. The wave Y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and very likely this is your wave B, that it might be something shallow, and then having a wave C still to finish the WX and a Y in a wave 2 here, and to hit the minimum requirement 0.68, $1,260. Yeah, and of course we're gonna take it from there. If we see like a strength still continuing toward the upside, okay, this is our next targeting area. We are uptrend right now anyway, but basically we're gonna watch, of course, as those testing area for any sign of weakness again. Yeah, so we need 5 waves down, this time 3 waves up, and then push down again to take the confirmation and continuation for a wave 3 of a wave 3, even also a wave. Yeah, so because all of it, this might be a 1 2. Yeah, so meaning extension can be very bearish. We'll see, guys. So Monday will tell us everything. I believe a price decision has to be taken soon for the metals if we continue toward the downside or toward the upside. For me, the gold and silver are still very likely to push for lower sooner or later. and the trend is not yet done properly as a structure. We still need to finish a structure toward the downside. That was it for the gold, silver, and palladium. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and have a nice weekend. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.